Hi there! If you're even a little bit curious about making money with fashion e-commerce, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to start your own fashion e-commerce business and live the lifestyle you always wanted. Stylish, profitable, and totally on your terms. And no, you don't need to be a designer or a social media influencer to get started. You'll see just how possible it is with a real story from someone who made 6,000 in her first month selling fashion products online. The fashion e-commerce industry is one of the most powerful and profitable spaces in the world right now. Just listen to this. The global fashion e-commerce market is expected to exceed $1.2 trillion by 2027. People shop for clothes, shoes, and accessories online every single day. Stores that sell well-known fashion products see 2.7 times more returning customers. Why? Because fashion is emotional. It's how we express ourselves, and shoppers love recognizable brands, seasonal trends, and viral styles. Now let's talk about Miandra. She's a Sellvia client, a mother of three, and someone who wanted more freedom in her life. Miandra had no technical experience, no marketing background, and no clue how to build a website. But she took the leap, and it completely changed her life. In her first month and a half, she made $10,000 in revenue. Her first month's profits was $6,000. She works just 30 minutes a day in her store. And now she has more time for her health, family, and goals. She started with vintage clothes and kids fashion. Just one slice of this fashion e-commerce pie. Imagine what you could earn if you covered all fashion segments: women's clothing, men's apparel, kidswear, footwear, high fashion accessories. Now that's serious potential.
My background is got nothing to do with e-commerce business. No, my first sale happened about 10 days after I received ownership of the store. And after running it for a month, I was able to, in net profit, replace my salary. Or Sellvia gave me step-by-step instructions how to do it. And Larissa, my business manager, helped me a lot and walked me through the process. It was very clear and very easy to do. And then I just took the plunge and did it. And I'm very happy I did.
Fashion e-commerce isn't just about selling, it's about helping people look and feel amazing. You're not just pushing products, you're building a brand, a vibe, a lifestyle. And when you combine hot products, world famous brands, beautiful store design, marketing tools like videos and ads, you get a business that runs smoothly and sells fast. Now you're probably wondering, how do I actually start? That's where Sellvia's fashion packs come in. There are ready-to-go product bundles with a huge earning potential. Let me show you what's available right now. Ultimate Summer Style Bundle, 1000 plus fashion bestsellers for summer 2025. Comes with a stylish store design as a gift. Potential profit up to 100,000 per month. If you want to jump into the fashion e-commerce world fast, this is your best friend for seasonal sales. The Ultimate Luxury Collection. Dior, Gucci, Prada, and Balenciaga all in one bundle. 1,000 iconic high-end fashion pieces. Your instant pass into the luxury market. Perfect if you want to attract premium buyers and build a brand that feels exclusive. Nike Power Package. Nike is the world's most valuable apparel brand. Includes 50 best-selling Nike items, bringing sporty shoppers and brand loyalists. Legend Footwear Collection. 500 branded shoes from New Balance, Adidas, Guess, and more. Includes a premium store theme, perfect for trending sneakers culture and everyday wear. Whether you focus on one niche or mix them all, these bundles makes it simple to launch and scale. When you start with Sellvia, you don't start alone. You get ready-to-sell fashion products, store setup help, access to promo materials and scroll-stopping videos, and one-on-one support from e-commerce pros like me. No guesswork, no stress. You just follow the roadmap just like Miandra did. So what's next? Choose your fashion pack, add the products to your store, promote with our branded videos. Watch your sales grow. Fashion e-commerce isn't just another side hustle. It's a chance to build a real income and enjoy the high standards lifestyle that comes with it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll answer each one personally. Check the links in the description to explore the product packs. Like, subscribe, and share if this video helped you take the first step. I'm Polly, your e-commerce guide, and I'll see you in the next video.